Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a pavlova that looks like it came from a fancy bakery. But here's the secret. It starts with a store-bought base. This recipe is simple, quick and perfect for when you want to impress without spending hours in the kitchen. Let's start with what you'll need. 1 store-bought pavlova shell, 600 millilitres of heavy cream, 1 cup of sugar, a handful of blueberries, strawberries and raspberries, and finally a dusting of powdered sugar. The beauty of this recipe is its flexibility. Swap in mango, kiwi or passionfruit if you want a tropical twist. So let me know in the comments, what's your go-to fruit topping for pavlova? First up, the cream. Grab a chilled bowl and pour in your heavy cream. Start whisking on medium speed, then slowly add your sugar. This gives the cream a rich sweetness without making it heavy. Pro tip, watch closely. If you whip too long, it'll turn into butter. We're looking for soft peaks that hold their shape, fluffy and smooth. Now for the fun part, assembly. Take your pavlova shell and gently spread a thick layer of whipped cream across the top. Don't worry about perfection here. Pavlova is meant to look a little rustic, and that's part of its charm. If you're still watching, drop a comment with the word pavlova so I know my dessert fans made it this far. Next, it's time to decorate. I'm adding slices of strawberries, a handful of raspberries, and scattering some blueberries on top. Arrange them however you like. You can go for a neat design or just pile them high for a more natural look. This is where the pavlova really comes to life. The bright colours against the white cream make it look incredible. And now, the finishing touch, a light dusting of powdered sugar. Not only does it taste great, but it also gives your pavlova that bakery-style presentation that will wow your family and friends. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've made a pavlova that looks like it came from a pastry shop, but without the stress. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps me keep making more easy recipes like this. Share this video with someone who loves dessert and tell me in the comments what fruit you'd use on your pavlova. Thanks for watching. Now let's cut a slice and enjoy this masterpiece together.